This is the tram stop where I got down. I can see Mexican restaurant, Hawaiian restaurant and Spanish, but I am looking for an Indian restaurant. If I can find, I will have lunch after some time. So you can see excellent buildings, very tall, big. So this is downtown. Nothing to do in downtown, but just to appreciate the buildings, enjoy the vibes. So yeah, people who live in US, they don't want to go to downtowns. So and they don't want to drive through downtowns because of various reasons. Parking is expensive, and they see a lot of different people. So that's why they are not interested. But I'm coming from different country, so I want to see the US downtowns in US. So then only way I can appreciate the city. We can see the cities in the offices, in the buildings. So this is going to Mesa, Gilbert. So return I have to take this eastbound train. So to go to ASU, Arizona State University. So that is a stop. So cool. So I spent some time here, take my lunch. I can't find any Indian restaurants nearby. So I eat anything to survive. So then I take the train and go to ASU. So United Healthcare Building. So I heard about this Chipotle Mexican restaurant. I will go and check if I can eat anything. We have missed last time into 2021. So this time I eat something. I will take quesadilla in Chipotle. I think it's for kids. It's fine, $5 quesadilla veg. Ask them if we. So my first meal in Chipotle, I have taken quesadilla. The kids, it is very 2 pieces enough. So this is $5.40. So this is where I have taken my first lunch in Chipotle in Phoenix. My lunch in Chipotle. So I have taken quesadilla. So I am waiting now at Jefferson First Avenue. So from here I will meet my friend's son. I have finished my lunch in Chipotle. First time I have taken lunch in Chipotle. So now it is 2 p.m. So my friend's son is now free. So he has finished his job. So he called me. So now I am at Jefferson First Avenue. So this is downtown Phoenix. So from here I take light rail and I go to ASU campus in Tampa. This train will not stop here. I think it might be rapid or going to depot. So I have to catch next train. So a train is coming. I will take this train. Yeah. So this is going to Mesa, Gilbert, entry. So I have to take this to go to Arizona State University, and also people take this to go to airport. So very cool. This is the light rail, inside light rail. So I have to ride 10 stops and get down at Veterans Way, College Avenue. So it is in downtown Tempe.
Station, 3rd Street and Jefferson, Ballpark, Arena, and Convention Center.
Manish, my friend's son, will wait there for big stadium in the downtown, close to downtown. Chase Field, home of the Diamondbacks. So I think it is a baseball stadium. Yes, I can see the ball. This is downtown. We are leaving downtown actually. This is Phoenix City. each and every city in America is beautiful. Excellent planning, excellent roads, parking, beautiful neighborhoods,
Approaching
downtowns.
station, 12th Street and Jefferson, East Lake Park. Exit to right. In Washington, Ability 360. Exit to right.
You can see flights landing here, and entire city is surrounded by hills, mountains. The same building.
Approaching station, Center Parkway in Washington. Exit to left.
This is Mill Avenue, 3rd Street. So next is my stop, Veterans Way, College Avenue. So I will get there and I will meet Manish and go to ASU. Mill Avenue stop. So I got down at this stop. So Veterans Way, College Avenue. So I am waiting for Manish. So I will go to ASU campus with him. I can see ASU buildings here. So he said entire Arizona we can see ASU buildings. So this is residence in Marriott. So now we are going towards ASU campus, Arizona State University. Is it Tempe, na? Campus? Tempe Campus. So I am coming from that way.
ఇదంతా
చెప్పు నేను చెప్తా.
ASU campus.
Oh, this is ASU campus. Started, already started.
Already started.
Okay.
అంటే మీకు అట్లే ఉండదు.
ASU campus started.
Over Arizona State లో you'll find many ASU
So
buildings.
this ASU campus. Now we can see students, stadium, parking, so dormitories, everything. Mar Telangana. So this is ASU campus. We are in the campus. So you can see, welcome to ASU, Arizona State University. So these are all parking, buildings. Here helps, huh? Oh, mask. University House. This is dormitory, hostel. This is Helmick Center. Engineering.
The
Marketplace.
campus store,
This is campus store.
merchandise center. You'll find all the ASU.
Merchandise, t-shirts, shirts,
చూడొచ్చు.
jackets. Yeah. Okay, దాని కంపేసుకునికి వస్తుంది.
College option temple ASU. శరణ్ చంద్ర గౌతమ్.
This is merchandise shop. But it's very expensive here. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.